24, this is the Kamal Shahzab application.
ये अभी रिव्यू में हुई है या ओरिजिनल?
सर ये ओरिजिनल है, वो पढ़ दूं फिर मैं रिव्यू भी पढ़ देता हूँ।
अच्छा मखदूम साहब, एक बात ये बताएं कि पेशावर हाई कोर्ट में कोई दरखास्त इस तरह की इम्प्लीटमेंट की इनकी है मौजूद कि इम्प्लीट करा जाए पीटीआई को या किसी मेंबर को?
Not in the Peshawar High Court, not in the Supreme Court at the CPLS stage, not in the Supreme Court at the appellate stage, not in the Supreme Court at the review stage, not at any stage.
ये तो applications की बात हो रही है. Never they claimed these seats. Never. Not before the election commission, in the High Court, nor before this.
Basically, this point was raised by me. ये सारा फटा मैंने बनाया. सब बात तो ये. I raised this point. Where is PTI? किसी को इसका तरफ ध्यान ही नहीं था. I must confess. This is me.
जमाल साहब माजरत के साथ अरपडाब की वजह से बनते हैं.
Thank you for relaxing. Relax कर दिया माहौल को.
Sir, if your lordship will see this 3554, if your lordship graciously turns to paragraph B on page 4.
Paragraph C.
Paragraph B. Now she says, now she introduces herself, my lord. She says she is an aggrieved person. She points out that she is the political activist, former parliamentarian, President Women Wing of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, which is the largest political party in Pakistan. Now, she says, sir, in paragraph B, page 4, whether the denial by the Election Commission of Pakistan of opportunity to the Sunni Ittihad Council to submit lists for the seats reserved for women and minorities after the SIC had become a political party that held general seats in both the National and the Provincial Assembly of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, then is not a violation. The next question, whether denial of opportunity to all persons on lists that the SIC might have submitted for the reserved seats to submit their nomination papers is not a denial of intent and purpose. So this is their pleading that they might have submitted the list. My lord, it also answers my lord Hassan Rizvi's question that did they file a list? They themselves say they might have filed it. Page 7, paragraph 4.
ये जो एप्लीकेशन है, इस पे एप्लीकेंट का कोई एफिडेविट खुद इसने साइन किया या थ्रू काउंसिल है?
वो सर सुप्रीम कोर्ट में तो AOR करता है ना सर, एफिडेविट ऑफ फैक्ट्स.
ये एप्लीकेंट मौजूद है कोर्ट में?
कमल शहजाब, I don't know my lord, I don't recognize him.
आप हैं? आप इसको ऑन करती हैं इस एप्लीकेशन को? ये आपके तरफ से फाइल हुई है? आप इस पहले अपने तारुफ कराएं, आपका किस पार्टी से ताल्लुक है, क्या है?
जी, मेरा नाम कमल शौजब है
जी,
और मैं पाकिस्तान तहरीक इंसाफ वुमेन्स विंग की प्रेसिडेंट हूँ.
ये मेन केस में आपने एप्लीकेशन दी थी?
जी मैंने दी थी.
आप इसको ऑन करती हैं?
जी मैंने.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. टेक योर सीट. जी.
My apologies to her for mispronouncing her name, Kamal Shahzab. That in view of the above mentioned constitution, paragraph 7, page 9, that in view of the above mentioned constitutional right of the SIC to the above mentioned reserved seats for women and non-Muslims, the pro forma respondents filed applications, letters to the Commission seeking allocation of SIC to its due share of the reserved seat for women. So she also claims that right for SIC. My lord, to similar effects are, your lordship will see paragraph 10 on page 11. She seeks a direction to ECP to allocate reserved seats to the petitioners. SIC was the petitioner before your lordship. Ground B on page 12. She again points out that these are SIC seats and the Election Commission should provide an opportunity to them to submit reserved lists of reserved seats. If your lordship turns to page 17, last 4 lines. Accordingly, the independent PTI-backed candidates having joined Sunni Ittihad Council, which is a duly enlisted political party, having its own election symbol, become members of the respondent number 3, and the respondent number 23 has therefore for the purposes of reserved seats, won the number of general seats equal to the number of independent candidates who have joined it.
इन्होंने नहीं बताया कि peculiar circumstances की वजह से join किया. They have joined voluntarily.
That is what she says.
ये मतलब PTI की एक member खातून कह रही है.
She is the president of the women's wing.
We must accept her contention.
Yes,
हम deny नहीं कर सकते.
Yes, sir. Ground R, page 18. Respondents are obligated to allocate the seats reserved for women proportionally to the respondent number 23. Sorry.
कौन थे 23 respondent?
23 was SIC. 24.
जी.
Now, sir, if your lordship will see page 20, there is last line. The respondent number 23 is entitled to the allocation of reserved seats in the National Assembly and the respective provincial assemblies in terms of the above provisions of the Constitution through proportional representation. Last three lines. Accordingly, the respondents number 23 and 24 are entitled to the allocation of reserved seats. इसकी आखिरी रह गई ना बेटा, वो कहाँ है? Now, your lordship will see the application filed by the same person before your lordship.
Main relief इस application के जरिए main relief वो चाह रहे थे कि खुदा के लिए ये सीट उनको दे दो, SIC को.
जी
उनका हक बनता है.
जी,
जो कि 13 मेंबर ने कह दे कि नहीं उनका हक नहीं बनता और आज इन्होंने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया होगा.
Sir,
आज एक्सेप्ट कर लिया ना 13 मेंबर की.
Sir, if your lordship may see her application CM 4161 in the civil review petition number 319.
जी.
319.
Over here,
जी.
Only heard in the interest of justice.
जी.
In view of the foregoing, it is respectfully submitted that the applicant may kindly be heard in the title review petition in the interest of justice. There is no explanation of the position taken by her. Now, we are talking about the peculiar facts and circumstances. Your lordships have taken note of some. The counsel for the respondents have cited a number of occasions. To me, my lord, as counsel of this court, one of the most peculiar circumstances, at least during the hearing of these review petitions, is that you have, by the majority judgment, and then all other judges also separately concurring with that, dismissed the review petitions, dismissed the appeals of SIC and said SIC had no right.